Hello, everybody. In the SQL commands that we have seen so far, in the select commands, so far we had been only looking at retrieving data from a single table. Like here, I had given select star from department new, so it has given me the data of the department table. Similarly, here select star from employee new, it has given me the data from the employee table. But there may be situations where I might want that data from two tables are combined. Now, I have here department employee details along with department code. And in the department table, I have department code and department name and location. Now, suppose my query is such that find all employees, find the details of employees working and working in, say, some departments. And then I want not all the attributes. I want the employee name, first name, last name, and job, and also the name of the department. Now, in this employee table, I don't have the I have the employee first name, I have the employee last name, I have the job, but I have the department code. I do not have the department name. And in the department table, I have the department name, but I don't have the other details about the employee. So in such a situation, I have to join the two tables in order to retrieve the employee first name, last name, job, and department name. So let's see how we can do this, how to retrieve data from multiple tables using a join condition. Now, if you recall here, department code in the employee table is a foreign key, and department code also appears in the department table as a primary key. So when we want to find out or we want to combine two tables based on a foreign key, primary key relationship, then we can use a command like this. Select, I want EMP F name, then EMP L name, job, and then I want to get the department name. So the department name attribute is called DEPT name. So I'll write DEPT name. So these are the attributes that I want in my result. Now, next I have to give from which table? So from now, since I am retrieving this from two different tables, so I'll give the names of both the tables. Employee new, comma, department new. All right. Now, if I don't specify anything here, let's try to execute this and see what happens. So you can see it has combined Tony, that was here. You see, Tony was here somewhere. Yeah, Tony is here. Department is 20. So it has combined with not just 20, but with everything. But with every possible department. Software, sales, marketing, finance, admin. Similarly, for Tim, the next employee, it has combined it with every other table. But this is not doesn't make sense because Tony, who works in department number 20, must be matched with department number 20, which is software. So I should, instead of getting all of these, I should get only software, only this one. So this the reason why this is happening is because here we have not specified any joining condition. So let us add a joining condition with our where clause. So select emp name, f name, l name, job, department name from employee new, department new, where now our join condition would be like this, foreign key, which was in employee. So I can write it like this. Name was DEPT code. And here also I have DEPT code, I think. Yeah, DEPT code. And here also the name is DEPT code. So I can write something like this. Department code is equal to DEPT code. Now, here there is an ambiguity as to this department code belongs to which table and this department code belongs to which table. So One solution to this is by adding the name of the table to which it belongs. So employee underscore new dot department code should be equal to department new dot department code. So one way is by using this and by qualifying the attribute with the table name. So now let's execute this and see what happens. So now you can see we don't have so many extra columns, unnecessary columns, spurious tuples. So here I have Athena Wilson, who is an analyst and works in the admin department. Let's find out whether it's true. Athena is here. Athena Wilson, who is an analyst, works in department number 50. So department number 50 is admin. So here I have Athena Wilson, analyst, works in department 50. Similarly, you can take any row and verify. Jennifer is also in the admin department. So Jennifer, you can see Jennifer also in department 50. So this is also admin. Let's take Karen. Karen Matthew is software engineer in department 20. Department 20 is what? Software. So say where is Karen? Karen is here, software and engineer, and works in department software. So in this manner, we can select data from multiple tables. All we have to do is we have to specify the joining condition such that only the related tuples will be combined together. So this is a multi-table query. Now, continuing with this, as you can see, because of this ambiguity that two tables have the same, that we want to join, have the same attribute name. So we have to qualify it by using our table name. So sometimes the table name may be very long. So in such a situation, what we can do is we can use something called an alias. So I would like to give a short name. So to give a short name to employee new, I will write it as is the keyword, as EN. Okay. And department new as DN. So here what we are doing is we are giving an alias or a different name, a short name to the tables. So employee new as EN, department new as DN. So here instead of writing the entire long table name, I will write EN, and here I'll write DN. So you can see now, select EMPF name, EMPL name, job, department from employee new as EN, department new as DN, where en.dept code is equal to dn.dept code. So we have used an alias. So let's run this. So there I get the same data as the previous one. Okay. But the only thing that here I don't have to write the name of the table, full name of the table. I can just use an alias in this manner. So here, as we have seen that we can join two tables by using a join condition in this manner, and we can also use an alias. Now, this does not stop us from adding more conditions in the where. So here, this condition which we use to join the two tables, this is called a join condition. But in addition to this, we can also add our own conditions. Like, let's say, for example, I want to find out all employees and their department names, where for let's say, what was the data? Let me have a look at the data. Where whose again, let's say, whose commission is 0. Whose commission is 0. So I will have another condition. Commission is equal to 0. Okay. And then I can use the AND clause to combine these two, where the two tables must match on the foreign key primary key, and the commission should be 0. So let's execute this. So here I have, they have been joined, and is the data 0, is the commission 0 for all of this? So you can see Tony, then Kim. So Tim is missing. Tim's data, Tim is not there because Tim has a commission of 300. Okay. This Maddie also is not there. Maddie is also not there since they have a commission. So only those rows which satisfies the condition. So first they are joined according to the joint condition, and then this condition, the other conditions, one or more conditions that you have can be applied. So this is about your multi-table queries, writing multi-table queries. And it is not only restricted to only 2 tables. You can combine even more tables, but all of them will need, whenever you're trying to join, you will need the respective join conditions for it. So please remember foreign key to primary key.